Good morning. I don't know exactly what today's gonna consist of. I think my main goal right now is to clean the house. So we have gathered here today to do my morning skincare. We're having some freaking breakouts right now. One on my forehead. I never get anything on my forehead. It's obviously all down here. And I say this all the time, but like the camera really enhances my face so it doesn't look quite this bad in real life. First, we're gonna start off with this Green Envy cleansing oil. I always like to add just a little bit more because I feel like there's not enough in one pump. I don't know why exactly I do this, but I will dry my face most of the way. It's really not that big of a deal because the next thing I'm doing is going to soak it again. I will say though, this next part is my favorite part. It feels so nice, even when I'm cold. It is my favorite part. I actually was using like the globes. I don't know if they're called ice globes or not, but I still have them. They're actually sitting in my freezer. Maybe I shouldn't just leave them in my freezer if I'm not using them. You never know. But I ended up switching to this instead of the globes because I know I did not clean them properly, like ever. If I have some like inflamed acne, I will definitely focus on those more than anything else. This Mandelic serum. This I actually only use every other day, and my favorite days to use this is the days I work out. So while that is drying, if I remember, I like to go run this and put this back in the freezer. Next, I do this crayon peptide cream. I love this stuff. It feels so nice. I put probably a little bit too much moisturizer on it once. Then I'll let her sit for just a second to kind of soak in. And lastly, my SPF. And yeah, that is all I do in the morning. Put some type of chapstick on. Have a couple different options. I think I want to go with this Ormedic Balancing Lip Enhancement Complex. My hair is staying the way it is. I just need to re-pull it up because it's falling out. My last step. We're not gonna put any more on right now because I'm gonna go clean, and more than likely is gonna take this right back off to do some dishes or something. 1, 2. You coming? Or you gonna stay? I guess only 2 are coming in.
Say hi, Bubby. Say you're the newest member. Oh, there's Jackie. Bubby, the newest member of the crew. Say hi, my name's Cash. I'm a doodle. I'm just getting so big. He used to be a little baby sausage. No.
Oh! I need to put lotion on the tattoos. It's always 50-50 if he's gonna be on the outside, but I think he just walked away. Okay, we're back in the bathroom at a really bad angle. I forgot to lotion my tattoos. I can't believe I forgot because this one has been so itchy. I got like pretty much my biggest one so far to date, and oh girl, I don't know how people get blackout tattoos and survive that itchiness. Let me show. So this is currently our table, if you will. My first step is going to clean this off and just try to organize it. Now this, on the other hand, I would like to say this is probably 50 to 75% me, and the other bit is him. I know, you're like, who the hell am I talking to, huh? but I can't put the box on the ground because somebody likes to chew on boxes. Can you guess who did this one? Or maybe this one? Look, now we're broke and we can't buy you no more food. Yeah. Alright. My biggest issue with this is that I feel like I could benefit from like air in a can to dust this off. It is so rough to dust this off because of all the crystals, and it makes me so upset because she is not shiny like she could be. I like that. Where did you get that? Oh my god. I need something else on that corner. A couple weeks ago, we had to go up to Cleveland. I'm gonna have to take that from him to get my dress measurements done. And my mom wanted to go to Trader Joe's, so we went and I found this wine. Like, how freaking fun is this? Witch's Brew. It is red wine with spices added. It is a 4 out of 5 sweetness. I was so happy they had this on the back because I think there was like 3 or 4 different ones. There was even a pumpkin spice one, and if you know me, you're pretty shocked on why I'm not holding the pumpkin spice one right here. I thought this was so cute, and I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna get this for decoration, and maybe we'll drink it. The description on here says, a layered and aromatic celebration of traditional mulling spices. This distinctive red blend can be enjoyed warmed or devilishly hot, prepared in a microwave, crockpot, or stovetop to warm the coldest and darkest nights through the year. So I don't know if I'd ever try this warm. Kind of scares me. It's something. You were just ripping that to shreds. Oh my god. I'm sorry, Bubba. I have to take that. You can chew it outside, but not in here. All right, so this is my next task, is to clean this off and maybe rearrange her a little bit. I did have a plant actually in here. I need to find like one more thing to put in here to even it out and everything, but she needs cleaned off pretty bad. I love this, but with this one, it's just not doable. Please ignore my dirty ass walls. But yeah, I don't know if I showed this. I'm sitting here editing this as I'm going through. I just realized how dirty the freaking wall is. Yeah, the joys of having dogs. Painted the walls. Yeah, new couch. Dirty boys. The couch needs a little reset and whatnot. So I think I'm gonna clean this off and then I'm going to make brunch. It's like 10 o'clock. This is also not as tall as I thought it was gonna be. That's kind of my other issue, especially because Bub is getting bigger. He's actually a Newfoundland poodle mix. So somebody's gonna be real big. was actually unintentional. I didn't plan for this to be this, but I like to consider this my little altar for Peanut. She needs refresh though. Do you like that? Do you not like that? I also kind of have to keep a lot of these empty because again, if somebody, and another somebody, as in Cody, ate one of my little tiny pots that I had. I think we'll do this for now. I don't like to light incense with all the windows and stuff shut, and we don't have a ceiling fan in here. I just think I feel like it could get a little bit too much for the dolls, so. All right. I don't have too many oils. I'm very picky on scents and stuff like that, but we have an orange blossom, green tea. We love the green tea one. Balsam and cedar wood. Probably gonna go for that one. We got a rose plum. I also literally just have a thing of all sorts of different scent things. Ocean salt, and then, white sage and mint. I don't know. It's kind of between the cedar wood and the white sage. Let's see. This one just has like a nice sweet smell to it. It's like earthy, but it's sweet. Part of me wants to say I did this white sage last. So, she's the winner. No idea how many drops that was. Just realized we don't have her on there. Maybe she'll just go like that for now. Actually, before I cook any food, I need to take the trash down to the curb before we miss trash day. So, yeah. Let me go get the trash in the house and then let's cook breakfast. It was 60 degrees and was so nice the last 2 days. Actually, yesterday was super windy. Now it's freaking freezing today. Watch this. I'm gonna start messing with this and I'm gonna prop you up against the milk so you can watch him come running. There you go, my baby butt. Keeps them entertained for a little bit. I just wanted to come on here and say that I 10 out of 10 recommend avocado oil spray instead of like the normal terrible oil for you. Being on that topic, I again recommend avocado oil instead of olive oil when you're cooking with it. Olive oil is really, really good if you're not going to heat it up, but if you heat it up, that's when it's not so good for you anymore. It just has like free radicals and things like that in it, and it just, look it up, do some research, I swear. Bagel's done. I was gonna drink chocolate milk, but I think I'm gonna go with this instead. I'm just going to sit here. I think our water bill is due at a different time now because like they switched some things around. They have like a new portal and stuff. So I'm gonna hop on there real quick, see what's going on with that, and yeah. Hey, next day, it is Friday. This evening, Allie and I are actually going to a Mexican place. I don't know the name of it. Now that I'm thinking about it, I need to text her and get that info. However, my plan is to film a little bit tonight, but I can't make any promises. If you know me, you know. This video is already long enough, so I will include all of tonight in the next video so we can cut it here. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and all that. Subscribe, you know. And I will see you next time.